Order and chaos are the yang and yin of the famous Taoist symbol. Two serpents head to tail. Order is the white, masculine serpent. Chaos, its black, feminine counterpart. The black dot in the white and the white dot in the black indicate the possibility of transformation. Just when things seem secure, the unknown can loom unexpectedly and large. Conversely, just when everything seems lost, new order can emerge from catastrophe and chaos. For the Taoist, meaning is to be found on the border between the ever intervened pair. To walk that border is to stay on the path of life, the divine way, and that's much better than happiness. Order is where the people around you act according to well understood social norms and remain predictable and cooperative. It's the word of social structure, explored territory, and familiarity. The state of order is typically portrayed symbolically, imaginatively as masculine. It's the wise king and the tyrant forever bound together as society is simultaneously structure and oppression. Chaos, by contrast, is where or when something unexpected happens. Chaos emerges in trivial form when you tell a joke at a party with people you think you know, and a silent and embarrassing chill falls over the gatherings. Chaos is what emerges more catastrophically when you suddenly find yourself without employment or are betrayed by a lover.